Let me see. What do I hear outside? Oh. You want to go outside? Where's the other ones I seen? Oh my. Look how many they are. And you want to go outside? 5 birds. You want to herd these birds? They're jumping. No. No, Eva, no. I was right. There was 6 of them. Look at this. Midnight Love says never go outside when you have 6 of these kind of birds in your backyard with your dogs. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, no, no. You cannot go out, guys. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Leave these birds. What are they going to do now? Hey, you big bird. Buck, buck, bird. You're not a chicken, I know that. Hey, you birdie, what are you? No, you can't go out. Come here, bird. What are you eating? I didn't throw no bird food over there. You're so sad. You can't go out when they're out there. I'm sorry. Boy, you have a lot of birdie wordies out there. You run and hop, you run and hop. No, you can't. Not now. You see what's out there? You can't. No. You gonna leave? You're leaving? Good, good. Leave, leave, leave. Whoa! There you go! Yeah, into the tree you go! Yeah, into the trees, yeah? Alright. Sayonara. Hasta la vista. Hello, amigos. No, no.